Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I know that you can tell like by the title of the video that it's going to be a beauty video. And I know some people came to my channel because of like the weight loss and omad and stuff like that. But to be honest, I'm way more than just weight loss and constantly talking about my weight loss, constantly filming about my weight loss. Passionate, and I love other things besides like losing weight and getting healthy, and makeup and beauty is one of them. Today I'm just going to be doing my makeup. Pretty much, I haven't filmed a beauty video in a long time. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a long time, then you just know that I started out wanting to do beauty videos, and then I moved on to like the mommy content and then weight loss. And so I'm still passionate about all three of those things. And so if you unsubscribe for whatever reason, or if you don't watch these videos, I completely understand and I respect that. But if you stick around, then I really appreciate you. So thank you so much. But yeah, today is just going to be I guess a get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in a long time. And yeah, I'm just going to be doing my makeup how I do it every time. So I'm going to start off with some moisturizer. This is the moisturizer that I use. It is Cera Ve. This is my go-to moisturizer. I believe I showed this in my skincare routine video that I use. I use this for myself and I use it for my son Jordan because he has eczema. So we're just going to take some moisturizer. And I moisturized a little bit when I got out of the shower this morning, but I need to moisturize some more. And I woke up this morning at literally 5 o'clock and I could not go back to sleep. So around 7:30, my husband and I worked out. We went to the garage and we worked out. And it's Saturday today. And usually, sometimes I work out on Saturday, sometimes I don't. It depends on if I wake up or not. So the next thing that I like to do after moisturizer, I always like to do my brows first. That's just what I like to do. I currently use the Milani, what is it called? Stay Put Brow Color. So yeah, this is like a pomade, I guess, by Milani. For my little brow brush, I always wipe it off with a makeup wipe before I use it because there's, leftover product on there. Let me fix this mirror. Perfect. And no, that's not right here. Okay. Now, this is how I do my brows. I'm going to use this Ardell Brow Defining Gel or Brow Building Fiber Gel in dark brown, and just like brush up my brows and so they can stay. All right. So all right, here we go. All right, so now brows are on. I'm going to take this palette by Measurable Differences. It's a 6 cream contour palette, and I'm going to clean out my brows. I'm going to use one that's close to like my skin color though. I'm going to use this concealer brush. I actually found this from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use that to clean up my brows really quick. They don't really need to be cleaned up that much, but it's just a step that I do it all the time. So it's just like habit, and I like to do it just so that my brows are more defined. onto foundation. The foundation I use is Fit Me. Fit Me is like my go-to foundation. I use it all the time. I've tried multiple different ones. I've tried the L'Oreal Infallible. I've tried Fenty. I've tried CoverGirl, but I really love Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte Poreless. I'm in the color 330. I'm gonna actually mix it with a lighter. This is by Sephora. This is just the Sephora Brand Foundation. I'm just gonna add a little bit because it's lighter and just mix it in. I got off my cycle a week ago and I broke out really bad. What is that? I broke out really bad. So I'm working on like getting my skin back to 100%. How it was before. It's almost healed. It's just a bunch of things that need to be healed. Like there's nothing in there. They just need to be healed. So let's blend this in. So for concealer, I'm using a Maybelline as well. This is not Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is just Maybelline, and I'm using color 30. I'm going to take that Measurable Differences palette again, and we're going to do some contouring. We're going to take some of that. And just a little bit. Not too much. Set, I'm using Airspun loose face powder. This is in the color Honey Beige. Let's put it over here. All right, there we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna set under my under eye and then under my cheekbones as well. All right, now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the color 320. And I'm just gonna brush everything off. Now I'm going to use the It's My Ray Ray palette. I'm going to use this. Ooh. I'm going to use this contour shade right here. There's so many bugs and stuff flying. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm going to use this contour shade right here. This is the one that I use to go over my contour. All right, so now, where's my blush? Oh, here it is. For blush, I'm using e.l.f. I really love this blush palette. It comes with 4 blushes in there. The one that I use the most out of this blush palette is this one for sure, and sometimes this one. All right, so I'm gonna use this blush color right here, and I don't wanna put too much. I mean, we're just going out and having like a family day, so I don't need it to be like super packed. But yeah, we're just gonna use a little bit of blush. All right, so the next thing that I do is just a little bit of highlighter. So this is out of the It's My Ray Ray palette. And you guys, I found this It's My Ray Ray palette. Me and my sister did. We found this at TJ Maxx. And I forgot how much, I think it was $7 at TJ Maxx. So we really came up. But I'm going to be using this highlight shade right here. And I don't go crazy with the highlight. Just a little bit. Not too much. Yeah, not too much. I feel like you can't even see it. It's this lighting. But the highlight is really, it's really pigmented, so you gotta be careful. You don't want to do like too much. All right, perfect. Ooh. After I do my face, I just like to take a makeup wipe and wipe my lips. I don't like to leave the powder on my lips. Oh, the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is J Cat Beauty. I really love this palette. It's really cute. Really pretty. These are the colors of the palette and they're so cute. So I am going to use this. Oh, my nails are so trash. Okay, I'm gonna use this color right here. I probably should have taken off the nail polish, but you know, it's all good. So I'm using this color right here, that one. And the brush I'm using is a Morphe M501 brush. My sister got this for me like 3 years ago, I think. And I love it because it's big and you can just dust the color over your eye. So for the shimmer, I'm going to go with this shimmer right here, which is really pretty. And honestly, I just like to use my finger. So we're just going to get a little bit on the finger like that. And brush it on. Perfect. And then I'm going to take this brush again. It's kind of like blend the edges. That's what I do. I love an inner corner highlight. I think it's really pretty. So I'm going to take my highlighter, and if I could find my little inner corner highlight brush. Oh, here it is. Okay. So I'm going to use this tiny little brush from Real Techniques, but I forgot what they were called. I'm just going to use my highlighter that I used earlier, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner. I think it's really pretty. See, it's so cute. I think it's really pretty. Let me be honest. I do not know how to put on lashes. I'm terrible. I'm terrible at putting on lashes. So I am just using my mascara. I use the Maybelline. I love Maybelline's products, but I use the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And this is like look, the pink and green bottle, the OG mascara. I really love it. So I'm going to use this and I'm just going to build it up because I do not know how to put on lashes and I should probably learn. My sister has tried to teach me so many times, but I just cannot get it. So we're going to put on some mascara. Now I'm gonna use some good old Carmex. Let me know in the comments below if you use Carmex. Let me know. This is like the 5th time my neighbor came out. Maybe he's going somewhere. Maybe he's going for a ride or something because it's like the 5th time he came out. Maybe he's just waiting. But yeah, let me know who uses Carmex still. Do people still use Carmex? Because I do. Anyway, so the last step is spraying my face. So this is Aloe Rose Water Soothing Face Mist, and this is what I use to set my makeup. It says that can be used after cleansing, before moisturizing, or throughout the day over makeup. So I use this as my makeup setting spray, and this is by the brand Poreless. I got this from TJ Maxx as well. And we're just gonna use it to spray the face and then we're gonna be done. All right, so that's it for this video. I feel good. Like I haven't done a beauty video in so long. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you decide to stick around and still stay subscribed to my channel, even though I am gonna be doing a little bit of beauty videos here and there, I would appreciate it. I just thank you guys so much for just your support and just love and encouragement and everything on my journey this far. And I just want to be more than weight loss because that's just not who I am. You know, I love beauty and I love makeup and I love being a mom and I love being on this weight loss journey, but that doesn't define who I am as a person, just losing weight. You know, I have a whole life to live and this weight loss journey is it's a lifestyle. You know, I'm trying to break old habits that I used to have growing up. And it's a journey. It's a lifestyle. And I'm in it not just for a diet, for a lifestyle change. So if it's a lifestyle, it's just part of my lifestyle. You know, it's not just the one thing that makes up who I am. So appreciate you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed this video or videos like these, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below what other types of videos that you would like to see here on my channel. They could be weight loss related or not weight loss related. I'm open to doing all kinds of content because I want to be just well-rounded. You know, I'm not just a weight loss channel. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.